Hello, so today we're going to be going over elapsed timing or elapsed time, and this is going to be the word problem we'll be using today. Sophia is in first grade. She attends school for 7 hours and 15 minutes. If Sophia's school releases at 3:15 p.m., what time does it begin? Okay, so first we're going to find out, we're going to get our main things that we need. So our start time, elapsed, and end timing. Okay, so do we have a start time? No, because that's what we are trying to figure out. So this will be our unknown. So I'm just going to put a question mark there. Okay, do we have our elapsed time? Yes, the 7 hours and 15 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and put it in their place value like this, 7:15. Okay, and our ending time. School is released at 3:15. 3:15 what? PM. AM and PMs are very important. So PM. Okay, and we're going to be using a number line to complete this problem, if it's on the screen. Okay, so we have this little note card that gives us some information. So we're going to kind of make a connection with fractions. So our whole is going to be 60 minutes, which is our hour. Okay, so this is our whole. So 15 minutes is equal to a fourth of an hour. 30 minutes is equal to half of an hour. 45 minutes is equal to 3/4 of an hour. And 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So we're going to use our make 60 approach for this. So since we've already had 15, we have 15, so let's go ahead and mark our number line as well. So our ending time is 3:15 p.m. So 3:15 p.m. So this is our starting time. So we're gonna reach our nearest hour. We're gonna do our 60 approach. So since we have 15 minutes as part of our elapsed time, we're going to subtract those 15 minutes in order to make an even the nearest hour. So we'll subtract the 15, and we will be at 3 o'clock. So we'll write 15. I'm going to write it like this, just so that it is already in its place value on the number line. Okay, so now, since we've already used our 15 minutes, now we still have 7 hours to go back. So we are going to count backwards 7 hours on our timeline. So from 3 to 2 is 1 hour. 2 to 1 is another hour. 1 to 12 is 3 hours. 12 to 11 is 4 hours. 11 to 10 is 5 hours. 10 to 9 is 6 hours. And 9 to 8 is 7 hours. So I'm going to write 1 hour above each one. That way we know how much each is worth. Now, when looking at our number line, we see these bigger lines. These two indicate an hour. So this in between is an hour. This first line is the 15 minutes. The middle line is 30 minutes. This third line is 45 minutes. And then you have finally reached the next hour. Okay, so let's see what time school begins. So we've subtracted our 15. And now we go back 7 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that leaves us at 8 o'clock a.m. because we crossed the 12 o'clock point. A common misconception is that some students either stay at a.m. throughout the rest of the number line, even after passing the 12 o'clock, or they'll stay at p.m. the whole entire time because they don't switch. Or another misconception students get is that sometimes after counting 12, they want to say 13, 14, 15, 16, when in time we go from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. and so it starts all over. 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m., 4 p.m. So our answer for this, our starting time is 8 o'clock a.m.